Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear search history on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to your search bar. In here, type settings. In the best matches, you'll find settings. Just open this. You can maximize this window. Then from the left-hand menu, you'll find privacy and security. Just click on this. Then just scroll down. And here, under Windows Permission, you'll find Search Permissions. Just click on this. Then just scroll down a bit. Here, under History, you can see Clear Device Search History. You can just click on this. This will clear your device search history. Windows basically uses your search history to improve your search suggestions. So they want to store it. But if you don't want them to store it, you can just clear your search history from here and turn this off as well. This will make sure Windows does not save your search history anywhere. Then just minimize this. And basically that is how to clear your search history on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.